Seatbelts are one of the most essential pieces of safety equipment inside of any vehicle. This is according to Sergeant Sophia Henry from the Traffic Department during her appearance on the radio program On the Road on Tuesday. She outlined the importance of wearing a seatbelt, noting that it reduces the likelihood of death during an accident.
Wearing a seatbelt could save your life. This might sound like an oversimplification, but the fact is that it's true. Seatbelts are designed to keep you in place during sudden stops or other jerky, unexpected movements. They reduce the likelihood of injury and death in automobile accidents.
With reference to the Vehicles and Road Traffic Act, Sergeant Henry stated that a person should not drive their vehicle until all persons traveling are properly restrained by their seatbelt.
63(1) of the Vehicles and Road Traffic Act states no person shall operate a motor vehicle unless the driver and any passenger in the front seat of the vehicle are adequately restrained by a seatbelt. And it also went on to say motor vehicles exclude from motor vehicle manufactured before January the 1st, 1990. So the buses that were manufactured before 1990, they're excluded. But anything after that, you must be restrained by a seatbelt.
She also stated that children under 5 must be in a car seat.
A passenger who is under the age of 5 must be restrained by a seatbelt, and they must be in a car seat. So if you're under 5, you must be in a car seat and also restrained by the seatbelt. Over 5 and under 14, whether you're in the back seat or the front of the vehicle, you must be restrained by such.
Sergeant Henry added that failure to comply will result in a fine of $200. On the Road airs every Wednesday at 9:30 a.m. during the morning show with GQ.